In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install AWS CLI onto your Windows computer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aws.amazon.com/CLI/. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below for you to check out. Then from here you'll be able to see this page right here where I can see the AWS command line interface. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to click Get Started, and once I'm here, the AWS docs will open up like so. And as you can see, this will possibly look a bit complicated for you. But from here, you'll simply need to go up to where it says right here in step 2. And then from here, you'll need to click installing or updating to the latest version of AWS CLI. Once I'm here, you'll be able to see this page right here. Then from here, you'll need to simply scroll down until you see AWS CLI install and update instructions. And from here, you'll need to choose the Windows option. Once I'm here, you'll need to go down to the download and run the AWS CLI MSC installer for Windows. Just click on it like so. And then from here, you'll simply need to open it up once it's installed. Now from here, you should be doing something like this, where you can see the AWS command line interface v2 setup. So this is just a simple setup that you need to click accept to, next, next, and install like so. Then from here, it will install onto your Windows computer, and that can take anything between a couple seconds to a couple minutes long, depending on how fast your computer is. And you will need to click yes when a pop-up screen will ask you whether or not you want to install it. Just click yes, like I said previously. And then from here, just wait until it's finished downloading. Once from here, you'll simply need to click finish. Once from here, now it's installed, you'll need to go down to the start page and then open up CMD command prompt. Then from here, you'll be able to see this version right here. And as you can see, if you have installed it correct, you'll need to be able to click AWS help, then click enter. And then from here, you'll be able to see the AWS command line interface is installed onto your CMD. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!